Penn State student case numbers are also continuing to rise.
Today, the university reports more than 5 times the number of cases compared to last week. Arvin Hinckley joins us now live with more on how they're responding. Evan.
Yeah, good evening, Amanda, Matt. The big number released today by Penn State, 174 students here on University Park campus tested positive for COVID-19 just over the past week alone.
The virus is here. That's the message Penn State President Eric Barron passed along Friday, following a drastic spike in coronavirus cases over the past week. 115 students who showed symptoms tested positive, and another 59 who were randomly tested without symptoms also tested positive, totaling 174 main campus students with COVID in just under a week's time. This prompted Barron to hint at the possibility classes will be moved fully online. He says next week the university will look at their COVID numbers from over the weekend and, quote, determine whether we need to take mitigation steps at University Park, including temporary or sustained remote learning. During the same time frame that Penn State reports 174 new COVID cases, the PA Department of Health only reported 145 cases in Center County. The DOH says the discrepancy in numbers is likely due to commuter students or remote students who are counted in the counties outside of Center County. The department also says some of Penn State's cases may not have been reported to the state yet, causing a delay in the state's numbers. Still, given the comparison in numbers, local leaders feel it's fair to say a large majority of Center County's COVID numbers over the past week are from Penn State students.
I think the assessment that's been made by many is that the majority of cases are coming from university students. The challenge that exists for us in the next few weeks is to understand where's the spread occurring. Is it moving into the non-student population?
And Penn State reports that all students who tested positive are currently self-isolating in quarantine. So far, since mid-August, Penn State students, 211 of them, have tested positive for the coronavirus. And in a direct message to students going into this Labor Day weekend, President Eric Barron says they are not to go home for the weekend and not to invite anyone from out of town here to the University Park community, and especially not to throw any parties or barbecues. Reporting live here from University Park, Evan Hinckley, WTAJ News.